479, he's stuck in traffic at 160th and Canyon. I'll try to get him out.
This vehicle stuck in traffic, 160th and Canyon.
Get out of the car! He just ran over my foot. Get out of the car! Stop! Stop! Stop!
He just ran another vehicle. He's one's behind him.
What's behind the vehicle? He ran another vehicle.
Right parking lot.
Pulled into the Pacific Pride parking lot, 1045.
Whoever's behind me, start calling it.
Reason course number 2. All calls, we're going through the business district. We're going to pop back out on 160 and something.
Everything is coming.
He's going to head towards 160 and try to get sticks out.
376 has eastbound on 160 and then 62nd Avenue sticks out. We're heading northbound at 160 right now.
Heading eastbound.
We're so good.
7903.
Pouring southbound 62nd. Positive contact with the stick.
Positive contact with the stick.
They're getting on a motorcycle.
Let me see your hands!
County Shot Fire.
Shock fire of any officer's been hit.